Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel YouTubers Goldmine. Today's video is all about burnout. We will be talking about how you can avoid getting burnouts and how you can handle creator burnout. I have done an entire playlist that contains lots of videos that are super helpful if you're a new YouTuber. The link to the playlist is going to be in the description. This channel is all about YouTube growth and YouTube tips. If that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. The question is, how do you avoid creator burnouts, or how you can take 1 month of break without getting the algorithm upset? So when it comes to taking some time off of YouTube, what I recommend is to just make some content and just publish it. So for example, instead of taking an entire month off, I recommend you to make one video and then publish that video in 2 weeks, which makes it in the middle of your break. Now this was just an example. The point is, if you're taking breaks, try to at least publish some videos in the middle of it to keep some activity going on your channel. But keep in mind that if you have content that is constantly bringing in viewers to your channel, you can take a break and your channel is still going to be going without any problems. But you have to come with a very good piece of content when you come back, and make sure that whatever content you are making, it is one of those types that your audience loves and brings you the most attention and views. Now, when it comes to the burnout side, sometimes you just have to take a break, and that is how it is. If you are doing YouTube in addition to your life, job and school, then in that case, there comes a time where you tell yourself that all I'm doing is working. I am waking up every day and I am working till again I go to sleep. Keep in mind that some people like that, but others may not like it. Then, if you don't like that situation, you need to take some time off, be it a day, a week, or a month. Take that time if you need to, because if your mind is not in the right place, then everything sucks anyway. So because of that, you need to make sure that you focus the time on your mind. Now, another thing that you need to consider is that if you are just working from the moment you wake up till the time you go to sleep, is to just dedicate 3 or 4 days a week to YouTube, and then just give yourself 2 days that you just chill and do nothing. Let's say that, for example, you have another job, and when your job is done, you come and work on your YouTube channel every day, and you don't have anybody to help you with editing or making the thumbnails or finding the keywords for that video, which in most cases people are doing everything by themselves. Well, in that case, just take some days off. Just be like, today is not one of those days that I'm going to do things. I'm just going to chill, get some sleep, watch some movies, or hang out with some friends. That is also another approach that you can take instead of taking a break for 1 month. Another thing is, with this situation that the world is in right now, we can see many ridiculous people on internet, and I'm sure that you have also encountered some of those while surfing on your favorite social media platforms. Every comments that we read, every post that we see that triggers us or makes us angry does stay with us for a while, and that is true whether you like it or not. And those can sometimes bring our motivation level down. If you're just constantly feeding that negative energy into your brain, you're going to get burnt out really soon. Basically, what you need to do is to take a different approach and stop consuming things that drag you down. So when it comes to burnout, sometimes it can be workload. So let's say that if you have a new YouTube channel and you're trying to grow that YouTube channel, you're trying to do everything, you don't know your way around stuff, everything takes more time to do than it should, and you may also have a school or job. So in that case, you're going to work all day, which does not work out for most people. But the idea I want to express is that sometimes it can be the workload, but other times it may be the media that you're consuming or the negative energy that is going into your brain. When it comes to burnout, your best way is to try to identify what is causing the burnout, because it is easier for you to stop it and make it not appear again. And the faster that you recognize the cause of your burnouts, it's easier to just cut back on that rather than cutting back on everything. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video with any people you know that might help them. My goal is to help every small YouTuber out there. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think about this video, or if you know any other methods. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos like this. Until next time, peace.